Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are here to show you how to beat or catch Anubis. So Anubis is one of the best, most popular pals in the game. So you press M. Anubis is located here at level 47. Now, how do you prep for Anubis? You'd want to have a lot of balls, especially get the highest tier sphere you can get and bring as many as you can. Aside from that, make sure that you bring leaf type, green type pals, the best of which is Lylene, Violet, and Verdash. These three are the best options to go toe-to-toe with Anubis. So as you can see here, I also have my Jet Dragon for insurance, because just in case they can't beat him, I'm very confident I could catch him, because I haven't caught him ever once. I mean, this boss, so I haven't cleared him. I do have a few Anubis that I've bred, but we're gonna start off with Lily and Lylene, because again, pretty strong boss, tower boss that we caught. Can't do that anymore, so let's just go around. There he is, and let's dismount, and let's go to Lily and Lylene. Let's shoot at him, throw our pal, let them fight, just like in Godzilla. That's one of the things that you need to be mindful of. When he jumps like that, there's going to be a red circle that you need to be outside of, because if, oh my god, okay, so Anubis is already almost dead, so all we need to do is block. By the way, he can dodge really fast. Our highest tier ball, this, as you can see, is 40%. I don't know if we could catch him. Okay, we got him, I think. Yes, we did. Okay, as you can see here, burst first skill. That's how you beat Anubis. It's going to be harder for most people because I'm maxed out. So Lylene is a boss, is a tower pal, so they're already on itself strong. But my Violet and my Verdash can also do the same amount of damage. But they're at level 50, so they're stronger and they could dish out more damage. But if you're, at level, not 50, you're gonna have an issue with that. But hey, after that, you'll be fine. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.